Struggling to build a website that actually works with your email marketing strategy? Then today, we're diving deep into the Mailchimp website builder to see if it's the all-in-one solution you've been searching for. First, let's talk ease of use. Mailchimp's drag-and-drop interface, super intuitive, creating pages, adding sections like headers, footers, and text boxes, and managing content is very straightforward even for complete beginners. Next up, design templates. Mailchimp offers a range of professionally designed templates, while the selection might be smaller compared to dedicated website builders. They're clean, modern, and easily customizable for different types of businesses, and you can customize with brand colors and fonts. Customization is key, and Mailchimp lets you tweak these templates to reflect your brand. You can adjust fonts, colors, and images to create a unique look and feel, though keep in mind advanced customization is limited. This is not a Wix or Squarespace. Now, what about SEO? Mailchimp allows you to optimize your website with meta descriptions, title tags, and custom URLs. You can create content and make sure that Google can find you. Remember, great content is key. If you're selling online, Mailchimp's e-commerce integration is a huge plus. You can add products, manage inventory, set up payment gateways, and track sales directly from your Mailchimp account. You're keeping everything in one place. Let's talk about money. Mailchimp offers a free plan, which is great for getting started. Their paid plans unlock more features and higher limits. Evaluate your needs to determine the best option for your business. So, is the Mailchimp website builder right for you? If you're a small business already using Mailchimp for email marketing, it's a convenient and cost-effective option. However, those needing advanced design flexibility may want to explore other platforms.